What is up, guys? It is Zane here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Scalar 2 VST plugin. Let's just go. So it's not really making chords yet. Actually, I don't know. Is this a chord? I don't think so. But this is my weakest part in music, okay? I can't even identify these. Oh. I can't with major and minor. Get me the heck out. I need some jazz chords or something. We can change the sound of the synth right here. So it's like a whole instrument too. I'm just holding the key down and it's making this pattern right here. Okay, so I clicked on scales. Now we have all this stuff. Okay, this is not helping. It's because I'm in a bass. That is not happy. Dang, okay, so in that there was like 1 or 2 good chords, so maybe that's enough to inspire you. I like these definitely a lot. Dang, these are crazy. So we can export the MIDI into another plugin. So you just gotta click on this for FL. Serum is gonna go in the import one. Scalar is gonna be the output one. So these are like, these sound way more professional than just. I also got this vital pluck. Okay, let's hear the glass pluck. I think this sound just sucks, to be honest. I don't think a chord is gonna help it very much. Minor scale, yay. So there's like styles, so maybe that'll help you get some emotion. Tigrigian, what is this? Okay, we need a different sound, that one sucks. I got this plugin, it sounds really good, but it takes up a lot of CPU. Let's test it out though, come on. So there's some good notes in there. I'm gonna be honest, guys, my MIDI can't even play like a lot of chords, so this is a big help for me. And we can change the variations. Whoa, that made it look a lot more complicated. So you can just add a ton of chords. How easy can we just take out the MIDI though? Can we just drag? Alright, it's that easy. Oh, it's because we have this rhythm still. Whoa, so you can get this chord melody going. You can go creepy with it too. So you can get chord suggestions. You can just drag them in here. And then you can make a little pattern for yourself down here or use this one. Oh, those are nice. What the heck? That was the best set of chords I have ever heard. I need to save this somehow. So you can just click on the chords and play it. Let's try an acoustic scale. Oh! Dang, so it makes like a really long progression actually. These articulations are quite useful. That last one went so crazy. Like, look at this. Bam. I mean, it's definitely not the most organic thing, and you could make it more human. I still think it's useful though for my kind of music. So it definitely sounds a lot better than just normally clicking standard notes. I like this one, it has some motion in it. But yeah, I think this plugin is really cool, definitely, to learn some new chord progressions that you normally wouldn't try. I mean, I don't even think I would ever do these for a long time, so this is helpful. I like the crazy one for sure. But yeah, let me know any cool plugins come out. I'll be working on a ton of music because that's what I really care about right now. Screw my YouTube videos, these things are trash. I just want to make good music. So yeah, please follow your dreams, have a good life.